All right, so this is where we left off yesterday, and I bet you that most of you guys have already figured out exactly what we have to do. As you can see here, the thing that was different about this problem than anything else that we had done so far was that there was a variable, a term on the same side as our naked variable, okay? So I bet you everybody already figured out what they had to do. This is something we've done a million times. We have to solve for y, right? So we say y equals, okay, we bring that over to the other side, 5x minus 2, right? All I really did is I added 5x to this side, added 5x to that side, right? Now, what's cool about that? Well, you can see right off the bat, there's our naked variable, bam, and there is what it equals, okay? So, now we're going to bring it right over here. Negative 3x plus 6, big fat parentheses, equals negative 12. Sorry, I'm kind of getting all that crammed in there. Okay, well, we took y out of the game, right? 5x minus 2 goes into the game. All right, now, this is what I want everybody to do. I want you to push pause, and then I want you to solve the rest of this on your own. Solve for x, substitute in there, solve for y, see if you get the answer right. Okay, here we go. So as you know, we're going to go distributive property. Okay, negative 3x plus 30x minus 12, right, equals negative 12. Okay, so here I go, 27x minus 12 equals negative 12. Add 12 to both sides. 27x equals 0, doesn't it? I know I'm going kind of fast here, but I'm assuming, I bet you guys are probably doing pretty good here. Divide both sides by 20, well, obviously 27 times what equals 0? X obviously has to equal 0. Okay? That makes it real nice when we come over here. Y equals 5, plugging 0 in for x, minus 2. 5 times 0 is 0, minus 2 is a negative 2. All right, so our answer, 0, negative 2. All right, that was the last problem that we did yesterday. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to take out your notebooks. We're going to add one more example. So we've done examples 1, 2, 3. We're going to do example number 4. And then I'm going to turn you loose on a Delta Math assignment. Okay? All right, so you should have your notebooks open. All right, we're still learning goal number 1. I can solve linear equations using substitution. All right, this is example number 4. In the previous videos, we did examples 1, 2, and 3. Now, what's different about 4? Well, in this case, the variable is not isolated. The naked variable is not isolated. Okay? But I don't think you guys are going to have any problems with that. There's our naked variable, right? No naked variables over here. We got one right there. What are we going to do? Hey, this is the moment we've been waiting for. We've been doing this for a long time. You guys know how to get that guy alone. Here we go. We say negative y equals, bring that guy over, negative 5x plus 3. Okay, what's the problem with that? Yeah, you know it. Can't have a negative, right? So what do? Change the sign, change the sign, change the sign. Or what we're really doing is divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Okay, you guys, I think you're starting to feel this now, because guess everybody knows what we're going to do now, right? Double underline, circle. I talked to several of you guys today on phone, and I was really proud of you. I think everybody was doing that, okay? Hey, if you guys have questions, there's been people that are calling me, okay? And I'm really excited about that. Please feel free to call me if you have any issues with this stuff, okay? Especially as you start getting into the Delta math, if there's questions, make sure you call. I'm pretty much available from 8 o'clock in the morning till 3:30 in the afternoon. Call me anytime, okay? I'm kind of expecting to help people with math. That's what I'm here for, okay? All right, so here we go. 3x minus 8 times the quantity, okay? Y comes out of the game. 5x minus 3 goes into the game, equals 24. Okay, now what I would like you to do is I would like you to push pause on your video, and I want you to solve for x, then substitute back here, solve for y, and see if you can get the answer. All right, did you get the answer? All right, well, let's see what we got. We got 3x, okay, minus 40x plus 24. I bet you if anybody made a mistake, that's probably where you made your mistake, was right here. A negative 8 times a negative 3 is a positive 24. Okay? All right, so here we go. 3x minus 40x is negative 37x. We're going to get another 0 here. I guess we are, huh? See, 24 is on both sides, so I'm going to subtract 24 minus 24. Negative 37x equals 0, so obviously x has to equal 0. Not necessarily in love with that, but I guess that's the way it's going to be. Okay? What do we do with that? Everybody knows we come over here. Y equals 5 times 0 minus 3. 5 times 0 is 0 minus 3. Y equals negative 3. Okay, did you remember to report your answer? X first, right? 0, negative 3. Bam. All right, so that's all I'm going to give you for examples. I just want you guys to start practicing. I want you to go to deltamath.com. Okay, if you need the code, I don't want to put it on this video because this video is public. And I don't want the whole world checking into my Delta Math. So if you need the code, you can text me. I'll get it to you. But it's also right there in Google Classroom if you look at the very first assignment where I told you to get hooked up with Delta Math, okay? Okay, in there I'm going to give you 10 problems. The first 2 are easy, and then it gradually gets more and more difficult as we go, okay? Do your best. Parents, children, here's what I really want. I want you to relax. I've been having a lot of people say, well, Mr. Palin, how are we going to grade this? How do we know our grade? Don't worry about your grade. Your job right now is to learn, okay? Delta Math is going to give you feedback on whether or not you get the problems right, okay? And so just do the problems and get feedback. If you're not getting them right, guess what? You can call me. This is probably the best thing you can do right here, 406-651-9072. I'm having a lot of people FaceTime me, having a lot of people text me. That's all great. I love it. That's probably the easiest way for me, okay? If you don't want to call or text or FaceTime, then you can go to private message in your Google Classroom. If you're seeing me here, you probably are already in Google Classroom. You can just private message me. I'll get back to you right away, okay? Parents, if you have any questions, any concerns, give me feedback. My lovely children, if you guys have any questions or concerns, just let me know. Hopefully this process is working out for you. It's all about learning. Peace.